Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha kajing yalang hadin kajing play pat ba ya ka yeng school batmai jong ka St. Jerome's High Secondary School Nong Mansong kabalapan long ha ka khatsau tarik ubanai nailar ar hajar apun rio uba AL-HEC UMLA kapentor umkra constituency ula Shah Pynkup Burom kerpang daki bor penyat jong ka school bat ka Nong Mansong parish. Kani kajing yuro kadai namar kajing yo jong u ya ka Kyrdan Doctor of Philosophy lani PhD in Politics Kabalaai daka Integrated Global University Delhi. Hakini kibanai baladep kum kajing itu ika kam syakri padba kajing tray kam bat ka senyang jong u ha ka emlang salang. Uba AL-HEC ubalami khamat ya ka pentor umkra constituency hadu Hinriusin. Ula job ha ki election nadu usnem Shah khandai spa khandai pupra hadu usnem ar hajar apulai. Bat ula bat ru yaki kam menteri ha ka sorkar bapher jong ka jilla. Ha usnem ar hajar apuway haba udang bat ya ka kam kum menteri ketenat ka kot ka khya uba hek ula Shah itu da ka World Health Organization halor ka jing penyat ki kam ha ka jing khun persha ya ka khlam COVID-19. Ula Shah Pynkup Burom ru da ka Lord Gautam Buddha International Peace Award. Habakren ha ka jing yalang uba hek uloong ba kajing yo jong u ya ka Kyrdan PhD in Politics kam day tang na kabenta kajing puli bat kajing wat benya hindrei kadai kajing yarap bat kajing itu nagipat ba ka jila Meghalaya kham tam e na ki nong shong shnong ka pentor omkra constituency kibla ai kajing kershani u ha kalinti jong kajing shakri pat ba.
Formal inauguration of our new school building, but also a milestone in the journey of St. Jerome Higher Secondary School, Nomansong.
Madam.
Your Grace, no. Mother Pastor.
Madam. Your Grace,
A huge round of applause for this beautiful moment of the unveiling of the plaque. A plaque made there on
the Television Parish. Meski play is Dr. AL-HEC kilawat masak ni. Nila ngalakren meski play akibat ba sebab ketika big achievement badon kiba yo eka kata doctorate dan bakret rubi madam apari Henry don kiba yo eka kata kanam dan baterai namar kakam kakren kamjam mati kati di negeri dau kisah sorok sisya kum kaparish sa bad kum ka school ba gidon apa lagi jungi ya i Dr. AL-HEC di gini tap di berkai
The last Sunday when I've attended the Mass here, Father in the public speech, they have already indicated that AL-HEC will be felicitate on the 14th of August. So thank you very much, Father Pascal, the parish priest of the Nong Mansong, and also Father Patrick, for recognizing me and all the St. Jerome family for recognizing me for, and also felicitation me for this program for recognizing me as the doctorate in politics. I'd like to thank also the Integral Global University. Last few months, they have invited me to Delhi to felicitate me and also to convert me as a PhD in politics. So I'd like to thank also the Global University for recognizing my service, which I have directly contributing in the society. To achieve this doctorate, I have not did any research, nor have submitted any thesis. But it is the public of Pynkup and the public of Meghalaya only have honored me this PhD in politics. So I congratulate to the peoples of Meghalaya and particularly the people of Pynkup for giving me this doctorate in politics. I'm mentioned by Pascal, somebody who have been doing theoretical, they are doing this research, they are doing the thesis for something to achieve the doctorate. But I am getting my doctorate through the public contributions, which we have been working for the last 30 years in politics and 40 years in the social service to the peoples of Meghalaya. I have not just abruptly or suddenly have been given this doctorate. It is the pursuing of my work, my service in politics and also in social services that people have recognized me. Thank you so much once again to the St. Jerome family for these recognitions.